The market's in mixed, however, we're looking a little bullish out there in the markets. My name's D70 at Grok Trade. Kicking off the week Monday, July 24th, 2017. And Spider down, Diamonds down. NASDAQ, though, up nearly 0.5%. Russell's up a bit, 0.14%. But the bank's up 0.73%. Financials up 0.44%. Financials leading the markets northbound. And the U.S. dollar in positive territory. That is a chart we have to look at. But crude oil popping 1.7%, gold flat, silver slightly down, and fear slightly higher. Okay. Not everyone should be a day trader. If you are not a day trader, don't become one overnight. You've got to know what's going on. Listen, to help you out, I'm doing a class. The class is bit.ly/Grok chat. So that will show you how to win at day trading without spending a bunch of money on expensive education. How to win at day trading. Carve out some time on Thursday night and feel free to join us. I'm not going to charge for it. Come in and enjoy yourself. All right, here's the deal. Here's the deal. Look at the S&P 500. So this is the Spider, the ETF. And we pulled back to the support line, and it looks like we're building kind of this little mini-me bullish pennant, high base, like it's wanting to go higher. If I look here at the Dow, which took a drop today, now the Dow is not good. I have a sell on the Dow, and I'm not going to add another one because of this, but it is in trouble. It did break this ice. The ice has been broken. Support has been broken. Still above the 20-day moving average. Really interesting to see what the Dow will do tomorrow. NASDAQ, boom, record highs, smashing. I mean, this is looking very, very bullish. I have a buy on that, going higher. And the Russells, I put a sell on that on the weekend edition. And we do have a lower high and a lower low. But we found some support here. We could bounce. If we start to bounce, and especially get over this big blue line of resistance, I'll put a buy signal on it. But right now, I have to put a sell. Oh, it looks like I got 2 sells in a row on this. Yeah, it's that rising wedge. See the rising wedge? So it's technically correct to have sells on a rising wedge. All right, let's take a quick look here at the banks. The banks drop. So I put a sell on it. Down, 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 down. We broke this area of support, but we rallied back. Isn't that so interesting? So interesting. So interesting. All right. So I'm doing a video and doing some tweaks of lines. Once my lines get penetrated a couple times, I'm not as nearly as the conviction level drops quite a bit. Okay, financials, daily chart, bull flag looking to go higher, man. That thing could break out upside anytime. US dollar, gang. US dollar, I think, is now at a bottom. I think it's now at a bottom. I think it's going to go higher here. If so, look for gold and silver to start to drop. I think we're going higher. I'm going to put this on. Now, technically, I don't have a buy signal yet. Can't do that, won't do it. But that's what I think is going to happen next. Crude oil, called it a sell, and it gaps higher to this trend line. Let me go to a line chart. Let me show you this. Okay, so this line chart hit support, this red line, comes up, stayed at this red line for a bit, broke down through the red line. Now the red line's acting as resistance. Smashed its head at resistance. The question is will it break up back through it, or will we drop? I think we have a better chance of dropping, but let's see what happens. I still have a sell on this. Gold. Up, 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 and away. I'm expecting it to drop fairly soon. Just start taking some profits, guys. Silver, same thing, same thing. Let's start taking some profits on gold and silver. So the US dollar is going to rise. Gold and silver will suffer. Stocks will probably suffer. But we'll see. Let's look at some tech stocks. Apple up 1%. Got to buy on that. Boom. We're going higher. Amazon up 1.3%. Got to buy on that. Boom. Higher. Baba. I have a buy on that, but this dude is in some serious trouble. It's a rising wedge. So let me show you what I think is going to happen to Baba. Can't put a sell on it yet, but I am coming very close to doing that. I got a buy here on Facebook, and that is boom, looking good. Google higher. Somebody said, "Hey, you didn't do Microsoft for what reason? What gives?" I'm gonna stay with my sell here on GoPro, low base. So this could still, just Microsoft is just such a big, it's a boring, it's like Cisco or just big, slow moving companies. You know, anytime you get into the Dow 30 group, and Microsoft, Microsoft, I'm not sure is on the Dow 30. Oh man, is it? I should know that. Anyway, if it's just a slow moving stock, it's not as nearly exciting as like Apple or Amazon, for example. But here we are. I had a buyback here and popping higher, looking good. Like Oracle, I don't like to look at Oracle. Nvidia down 1%. Be looking for that to happen to Nvidia. We'll look at Oracle. I have a buy on this, but this could get into a sell territory really quickly. Price line, I got a buy on this. High base, looking for a price line to keep above 2,000 and keep moving higher. PayPal, I got a buy on that, but could be looking to drop. Could be looking to drop. Red Hat, up, but we snap down 2.8%. Oh man, I called it a short, and that thing is just dead meat. Twitter. Oh wow, Twitter is starting to drop. We got earnings coming out. I'm not going to call it too close to earnings. I'm going to stay with my buy. And some call outs. Realistic views on YouTube. Your comments crack me up. Thanks for those. Somebody else said, can you do Tesla? Oh, just for you, Tesla. So this is very nice. You know what? I'm going to actually, because of that candlestick, I'm going to put a buy on Tesla, guys. So there it is. Whoever recommended for me to do Tesla, that was fortuitous to come across that. Let's do a ray. Broadening formation. Okay, I'll stay with my buy there. But we have earnings coming up. Oh, that could turn around and bite me. Earnings coming out August 3rd. Anyway, if you're interested in learning more about day trading, join us right there. Catch you guys later.